Dírí, agus fáilte go dtíanana tiopadúirta na Caribbean.
At the moment, I suppose retail is under threat from online shopping. So we're trying to combat that by actually introducing Irish to our business. We feel that with all the Gaeilgeoirs that are in Galway and surrounding areas, that if we're able to give something different to our customers, that they will come back to us. We have had a lot of native speakers that work in our premises, and that was our number one thing when we entered into the Gradam Awards, was that we wanted to recognise those people. We introduced our badge of honour to our staff to wear so they can recognise by our customers and they speak the Irish language and want to converse in Irish.
Bhfuil is áfalation?
There's great interaction with the customers, yes.
Agus a sin seán agus na receipt.
People that don't speak Irish normally and may have a cúpla focal, they can come in here and we get great reactions. We've used it in our signage, yes, and we've incorporated it into our website. We have a bilingual website at the moment. We have a lovely digital display at the entrance to our car park. Tourists can hear the language spoken with our advertisements inside the centre and car park. We have started to introduce Irish in all our marketing campaigns, and we will continue to upgrade and promote the Irish language throughout the business now and into the future.